being in a relationship.
Paano nag-shift yung perspective mo about singleness when you don't have a relationship with Jesus versus now that you already have a relationship with Him?
Okay, dati kasi pagka single ka parang boring. Nung wala kay Jesus, parang ang boring, parang hindi masaya, incomplete. Alam mo yon? Kasi feeling mo, ang makaka-complete sa'yo isang tao lang na, alam mo yon, na magko-complement kayo with each other. Kasi ganun yung idea
Thinking.
mo. That's your preconceived thinking about being in a relationship. But then, it shifted when I get to know Christ and I get to know God. Singleness is a season wherein God is preparing you for that someone. God is preparing you to the fulfillment of your calling.
Yeah, true.
God is, ngayon ko na-realize na dapat this season of singleness, ini-enjoy mo siya. Hindi siya dapat kinaiinipan. Well, initially, nakakainip siya. Practically, nakakainip.